Resetting my life on a weekly basis has become invaluable to me. Sunday is the day I hit the reset button. It's the day I spend time recharging and reorganizing the different areas of my life. It helps me clear my mind, and it gives me a fresh start. A clean slate to start a new week. I'm very disciplined when it comes to my routines. They keep me in check and help me build healthy habits. But I'm also learning to embrace the flow of life. On my reset day, I give myself permission to go with the flow. I turn off my alarm the night before, and I let my body wake up at whatever time it wants. Because my body is used to a sleep schedule, I usually don't sleep in for too long, but it feels so nice to wake up naturally and have a slow and mindful morning. I follow my intuition and give my mind and body whatever they need on that particular day. This can be yoga, meditating, journaling, or a combination of these.
Welcome to Forgiving Yourself, a guided meditation using...
Lately, I've been doing a beautiful meditation for self-love and forgiveness. It's helping me heal many things from my past that I had no idea I'd been suppressing all these years. It's one of the most healing meditations I've ever done. And it's completely free. It's here on YouTube, so I'll leave a link to it below for anyone that's interested. I like to plan my meals for the majority of the week, but on the weekend, I prefer to eat intuitively. I listen to my body and allow myself to eat whatever I'm craving at the moment. I've always loved pancakes, but I had stopped eating them for a while because I couldn't find a healthy option that I actually enjoyed. This pancake mix, though, is very delicious. The ingredients are pretty clean, and it definitely satisfies my craving. And no matter what I choose to have for breakfast, matcha will almost always be included. I not only love to drink it, but the process of making it has become a ritual of mine, and it's something I look forward to every day. My reset routine also includes reviewing the previous week and planning the week ahead. I celebrate my wins, keep track of my goals, and think about what things I can improve to make my life better. This year, I started using the Life Map Daily Planner by Michelle B. It's something I had been wanting to try, and I'm so glad I finally did. It takes you through a process of setting goals and mapping out the next 13 weeks. I love filling out the daily map and answering all the questions. It holds me accountable and keeps me on track. In addition to doing things to reset my mind, I also do a little home resetting. These things might seem tedious and not as exciting as treating myself to something I really want, but it's also a part of taking care of ourselves. I always think back to when I was a little girl and how these things were done for me. My clothes were always clean, I didn't have to worry about cooking or cleaning the bathroom when I was 5 years old. I was cared for. Now, as an adult, I think of that little girl when I'm doing things like laundry or cleaning, and it changes my entire experience. Instead of seeing it as something dreadful, I see it from a place of self-love. It's all about that shift in perspective. As Warren Buffett says, the more you learn, the more you will earn. I consider myself a student for life. I love learning, and we're so blessed to live in a time when there's an abundance of information. There's knowledge being shared everywhere, and I take full advantage of this great opportunity. On my reset day, I like to catch up on my current read, my favorite podcast, or I'll watch YouTube videos that teach me something new and that add value to my life. Recently, I've been learning more about astrology. It's something that's always fascinated me, but now I'm learning to understand it on a deeper level. And at the same time, it's helping me discover even more about myself. My reset day wouldn't be complete without a little pampering. And this doesn't have to be anything over the top. We can turn simple, everyday actions into rituals anytime we want. Lately, I've been doing that with my skincare. Setting the mood by lighting some candles and diffusing some essential oils completely transforms my experience. I do a little skin reset by applying a detox mask to really deep clean my pores and help keep my skin clear. My current favorite is the Dead Sea Med Mask by Bamboo Earth. It only has 3 ingredients: Dead Sea Mud, lavender, and tea tree essential oil. Simple and natural is my favorite kind of skincare. Just like our phone sometimes needs to be reset and the battery recharged, as humans, we do too. I hope this video inspires you to create a reset routine that works for you and for your life. Remember, you are so worthy and deserving of your time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.